5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. All engine running. Liftoff. We have a liftoff.
This is About Space, America's return to space, with news and information on our U.S. space program. Is your host of About Space, David Denault.
Welcome, and thanks for joining me today. In less than a week from now, NASA will launch its 5th mission to the International Space Station. The crew of 4 is scheduled for a 12:45 p.m. launch on Monday, October 3rd. This mission will have special significance, and I'll have details as America and the world is listening to About Space Today. D&D Cruise and Tours is the official agent for About Space, and we invite you to come fly away to all-inclusive resort island destinations, or a cruise vacation from Port Canaveral, and even visit the Kennedy Space Center Visitor Complex, or just come and see the parks. Call for a discount cruise or an island getaway or the Florida beaches. Call today. The call is free, and so are our services. Call 877-747-8631. That's 877-747-8631. We are Florida's group travel specialists. Welcome back. As I mentioned, this mission will have special significance. This will be the first time the mission commander is a woman, her name Nicole Mann, and it will be her first space flight. Another first will be the first time a Russian cosmonaut, Anna Kinkina, will fly aboard a SpaceX flight. Here is mission commander Nicole Mann and her crew.
Thank you. I'm Nicole. I'll be the commander of the Crew 5 mission, and we are just excited to be here and to share with you in our Crew 5 and Expedition 68 mission. We are ready to go. And it amazes me each time I stop to think about the enormous number of people that are involved in preparing us for this mission. It's the facilities that provide these high-fidelity mock-ups, the software that execute the simulation, and the people that develop, execute, and organize all of those assets. Without you, we couldn't be prepared for the mission. You're a big part of making us successful, and know that we're going to take a little piece with us when we go out into space. And in these last few weeks before launch, we are excited and humbled to be a part of human exploration. And thank you to our families for supporting us during this busy time. Let's go, Crew 5.
Hi, I'm Josh, and we're really excited to get to work. This is an incredible crew. I know a lot of people say that, a lot of crews say that, and I don't think they realize just how great it could be. We have 3 first-time flyers going to the International Space Station, and you know what's so great about this is we're doing it for something greater than ourselves. And those 3 first-time flyers, we're bringing a lot of energy to the International Space Station, which of course we're going to need to keep up with Koichi, who's anything but a first-time flyer. In fact, you're probably still getting your mail forwarded to low Earth orbit, I assume. But like Nicole said, we are incredibly grateful and honored to do this job, and we couldn't ask for a better crew to do it with. Uphill, downhill, and with the rest of Expedition 68 on board.
Hello, I am Koichi. I am honored to be part of this wonderful international crew of Crew 5. And together we're strong, and I would like to take this opportunity to thank everyone internationally in the ISS program, instructors, engineers who get us ready for this Crew 5 launch. And we have been working together and like a family, and I'm so honored to be here. So I'm very much looking forward to having time for half a year with my great crewmates on board. I don't know who the rookie is, but so they are well prepared and very technically capable, and I'm looking forward to it. Thank you.
Здравствуйте всем, меня зовут Анна. Я очень рада, что я являюсь частью большой программы международного сотрудничества. Я очень рада представлять свою страну в этом деле большом, и я счастлива быть частью этого экипажа. Я очень благодарна каждому и всем, кто работал, работает и продолжает стараться вкладывать свои силы и трудиться, чтобы наша общая программа, наше международное сотрудничество, наше общее дело продолжало жить. Всем спасибо.
So both Soichi and Aki flew on the crew the Dragon flight, and the crew 1 and crew 2. They gave me all the tips, but since the spacecraft is actually all of us flew on the space shuttle and the Soyuz spacecraft, it's a very different spacecraft, very sophisticated, very automated, and it's very reliable system. And so,
and what was the best advice from the other crew members?
I think I have to listen to commander and pilot and work with Anya as mission specialist, and then we work together. So that's the key. The communication is the key. That's what Aki and then both Soichi told me.
Join the About Space broadcast team for live coverage from the Kennedy Space Center for the SpaceX Crew 5 launch on Monday, October the 3rd. Our coverage begins at 12:30 p.m. Eastern Time. Join me, David Denault, and Dawn Meyer, Space Coast News Editor, and watch our YouTube channel. It's https://tinyurl.com/aboutspace-today-YT. Once again, you want to type in https://tinyurl.com/aboutspace-today-YT. And this Friday on America in Space, Dawn Meyer will have more on the Crew 5 mission to the International Space Station. Follow us on Facebook at aboutspace.today for launches and landings. And to all our listeners around the globe and here in the U.S., thanks for joining me. I'm David Denault, and this has been About Space Today.